Okay, show me your fort.
Oh no. Micah, sit on the fort. Go underneath. Go under there.
Show me the fort.
Come here, Josiah. Oh no. Falling. Careful, Wiley's on the other side. You're right there?
Yes. Go to the couch.
Go to the couch?
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, did the fort fall over?
Yes.
Is it time to clean up the fort?
Yes.
Hi,
One
Micah.
house, one giant